Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Sprint 4. Alright, we're going to be going over the Jira and code review demo and then show you what's next. And then, here we go. So, Jira report. Reports are same as always, pretty much flat and stagnant, but I'll show you the cumulative flow diagram. Actually, let's just, for old time's sake, I'm not the greatest at doing this, but yeah, and the other report looks the same. But yeah, this is overall for what my goals are and the completed work. Just getting close to getting done. So let's move forward. Code review time. All right. So the primary thing of this last sprint was getting the watermarking feature to work. So we have a watermark thing. We have a watermarking thing here. Actually, this isn't my work. Prefacing this that this isn't my work, but I will definitely show you it right now. So hold on, let me pull it up really quick. So sorry. Pretty sure it's written somewhere. I googled it. Yeah. So it doesn't show up when I do it here, but this is definitely the model here. So this is made by Eli. And the first thing that we got is the decode, which is ultimately the only thing I got working right now. So we got right here our watermarked image. Check watermark, and then it says it's fake. Okay, because that's something that is fake and is already fake, and we could show that in a different demo. But we have that right now. So right now, all I really got to fully work is just that detection software. So the idea of the flow is this, that like it breaks off into two different branches in two different states. I am going to be finishing the second state the next sprint. So I got the detection part to work. I didn't get the uploading part to work quite yet. It's something about like the metadata of files that like it's repeating an instance, and it gave me too much of a headache just to complete it right now. So I digress. The idea is this, that you upload an image, a piece of media, and then you have two different paths. You have the path where you upload the image and it detects that there is a watermark on it. It's just going to display if it's real or fake, and then that's it. And then you have the secondary version of it where if you don't have a watermark on it yet, then it's going to do the regular process of the things. But I've already showed you the regular process of it, so I wanted to show you the process of it breaking today. But let's just talk about this code for a little bit right here. So right here, just uploaded more stuff to the AI pages itself, just adding the different process states, as well as the different triggers, and detecting the watermark. So all it's going to do, we have the different branching, as I mentioned before. It's just going to detect from the index thing here if it's real, if it's fake. It's just going through the API connections and then move forward with the regular scheduled program. If there is already that, the apply watermark, although it's here, this just didn't quite work for me. So let's just talk about this for a little bit. So this is just standard things, just like using the Gradio, because that's what Gradio is being used. The technology is being used through Hugging Face API, and all it does is just the handling, just to view the image, request it, ship it through, and then use the parameters on the Hugging Face for what's already made. So this is pretty much plug and play, just some error handling, and that's about it for that. So let's go to the demo. So let's go here. Okay, we got here. Select our media. Let's go our watermarked image. So now that we have the watermark image, it's now, as you can see, that blurry sign is the watermarking on there. So let's go initiate the scan. And now, right now, it's just going through it, and now there it is. And as it shows that we have a match, and that it is AI generated. This is a fake image. It is fake image. I put it through that, and as you can see, it has like the little watermarking here. I'm sure Eli explains it better in his video on how it works, but all mine is supposed to do is be able to see this and be able to read if it's real or fake. So that is the AI detection software, or the watermarking detection software working. So that's that for the demo. And then what's next? We're closing out at the end of this project, so I feel like there's a couple things, just a couple cleaning up things for sustainability, as in like testing, making sure that this works, making it look pretty. As you see, as we saw in the demo, like this page just needs work on it. I mean, it has all the information is out there, but then making it smoother is probably the final thing, as well as finishing up the output, making sure that we get the second half of the watermarking done, because the first half is done, we need the second part, and then finally just launching the site so then people could use it. I feel like that's the easiest part of all this, but that's the final part, is just launching it. So that is it for this Spent presentation. Thank you for watching.